Guess who's running naked? It ain't me, y'all. It ain't me, y'all. Good the boy. Guess. Good the boy.
Hey Red Squad, welcome back to my channel, and we are here with another video. We got a little special guest. Come on, TT. Follow TK Nation on the YouTube. It's gonna be in the description box. So as you guys can see in the title, we are doing What's in the Box challenge. So,
Are you scared?
I'm kind of nervous.
I'm scared.
I'm nervous too.
Now I'm a thug.
Nah, and I've never seen a What's in the Box video.
I'm a thug.
So I don't even know how it goes, but I guess I'm supposed to guess what's in it?
Yeah. So basically, somebody's gonna put something in here, and we're gonna stick our hands in here and try to feel what it is.
Okay.
Although it's pretty scary
Okay.
because you don't know what it is.
Alright.
So your heart is racing.
Alright.
Your mind is going berserk.
Okay.
Good luck to you because you're scary.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's start.
Who am I?
Okay. Hey.
Who am I?
Hey. I don't know.
Who is this?
Me!
That's freaking CJ.
Oh.
No,
All
we
right.
go at the same time.
We have our first items in the box.
3, 2. Well, are we keeping score on who gets the most?
We could. What could I win?
Loser has to do something.
Alright. Loser gotta run in the backyard naked.
Jesus Christ.
Boom! Alright.
Like fully?
Naked. Let's go.
All day anyway.
Wait, I'm scared.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. What is this?
Wait, you felt it?
Yeah.
Oh
Oh
I
no.
don't know where to feel.
Mommy, grab it.
Ah! What the? What is that? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Do it feel like
It's a bag of something.
It's a bag?
Something.
What is this?
I think it's a bag of those crinkly strings.
Crinkly strings?
You know what I'm talking about?
Crinkly strings. Okay, I'm in it now. I'm in it. What the freak is this?
I think it's a bag of those crinkly strings.
Can we see what it is?
3, 2. Wow.
Ah!
Wow.
What the freak? We could probably use these. Next item. Alright, item number dose. Deuce. Dose. Tomato.
Whoa!
Oh, heck no, I ain't doing it. What'd you feel? What did you feel? Where is it? Wait, stop doing that! What is it? Girl, I can't feel nothing.
Titi, you moved it.
Oh, what is that? What is this? What is it? Don't be trying to be with me. You trying to be with me? Ha! You want to be with me so bad.
You almost took my forehead
What
off.
the freak is? Okay.
Oh wait, no, I
Wait,
felt something.
stop. Tiana, stop.
What
You
you
scaring me,
mean?
man.
Yeah,
You making me nervous. Nigga, you making me nervous. Come on now. For real, stop touching me.
Where's that?
What is this? What is that?
It's a hair crinkly.
No,
Hair crinkly.
let me feel, let me feel.
It make your hair curly. It make your hair curly. That's what it is. It make your hair curly.
You got it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can run naked though.
You better try.
Y'all look at my body. Touch my body. Alright, items number 3 is in here. You ready?
No, my heart racing now.
Alright, I'm gonna try to go first because you keep on getting one up on me.
I'm a little nervous.
Wait.
I'm a little nervous.
I kind of felt it already.
Oh wait.
What? Ah, it's kind of pointy.
Dog bone.
Wait, no.
Dog bone.
What?
It's a dog bone.
You lying.
It's a dog bone. I have dogs, dog. Look, Draco.
Here, buddy. Here, buddy. I don't have animals. Who gets a pet toy? Who does
Good
that?
boy.
How you know it was a dog bone?
I can feel it. We got dog bones in the room. You ready?
Thought you felt some. Thought you felt some. Wait. What the freak? What the freak?
Dog toy.
No.
Cat toy.
Okay, cat toy. Cat toy. It's a cat toy, bro. Period. I got it. Cat toy. Boom.
I just said cat toy.
toy.
I just said cat toy.
Cat toy.
I just said cat toy. What are you talking about?
No. Because nope.
I just said cat toy. Oh my God! Leave a comment below who said cat toy
No, she
first.
wasn't specific.
Who said cat toy
I
first?
said a mouse cat toy though. I said mouse
No,
cat
you
toy.
didn't.
You wasn't specific. You just said cat toy. You didn't say bone, mouse, raccoon, or nothing. So I get that point.
You get that point? You get that point? How?
I get that
How
point,
you
bro.
get
Because
that
you're not gonna have 4-0. You're not gonna have 4-0. Period. Gotta stake the animal.
Yep.
When was that rule?
It's an
What was that
animal. Lele. Tiana, you keep getting it. Where the freak is he? Okay. This is a snake. Period.
Lizard.
This is a snake.
No, I got feet, bro. It's a lizard.
Mine is a snake. Mine is snake.
Or alligator or crocodile. Alligator or crocodile.
You got it.
Who?
Tiana.
Who? Tiana.
Go to Marcus. 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 Go to Marcus.
I just knew this was a snake, bruh. My fingers
Guess who
don't
running
work.
naked? Guess who running naked? It ain't me, It ain't me, Guess who running naked? Guess who running naked? It ain't me, It ain't me, Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus. Okay, what we gotta do for this one?
Yeah.
This one, you must tell me what it is.
Alright, I'm getting this one. Oh, it's water. It's wet. It's wet. Water. Boom.
Go to
No.
Marcus. Go to Marcus. Orbeez. Orbeez.
Wait, what? It's
Orbeez. Orbeez. It's Orbeez.
Yeah, it gotta be Orbeez.
It's
bro.
Orbeez.
What is this?
It's Orbeez.
It gotta be.
They're too squishy and too round.
Yeah, they do little Orbeez circles.
Orby balls.
You got it.
Orbeez balls.
You got fun later, baby.
Nigga, I thought it was water. But they smell good. Smell good, Orbeez. Smell good, Orbeez. Hey. You didn't specify. So I'll get that. It smell good, bruh.
She want to point so bad. She's making up rules as we go. Yo, then that's specify.
2 to 3.
2 to 3 what? 2 to 3 what? 2 to 3 what?
So I gotta run in the backyard naked.
2 to 3 what? Are you sure?
That's it.
Nah, you would have been sure if I would have lost.
Alright, so
Hey, but
that's the end of this video. I'm about to run in the backyard naked. My dad just went in the front yard, so we're about to head to the back, and I'm about to do my loser run. Here we go. Alright, guys.
We outside with it.
I know stuff on under here anyway. Ooh, are you sure?
Positive.
It's ants and all types of stuff back here.
Well, good luck to you.
Wait, don't show my boobs. I'm scared.
Ooh,
Okay.
I fell in the hole.
I'm done. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow TK Nation on YouTube. She has hilarious videos on there. She's really, really funny. So check her out.
Please and thank you.
Subscribe. Support your friends. It's free. Boom.